Just look at all this money I made from launching thousands upon thousands of meme coins every single day, staying consistent and never giving up. Just a few months ago, I had less than $150 left to my name. Then I found out about creating meme coins, and that's how it all went up from there. The reason why the crypto space have been so successful is that in this space anything can happen. Anyone can become a millionaire overnight. You just need to get that one good launch and you're set. If you guys are as locked in on meme coins as I am, keep watching this video and you guys will be learning how to create, how to market your own meme coin. You guys are not going to find any other space like this one on the internet where the most unimaginable things happen. Let's get straight to it. Now, your situation might look like this. You might be all day trench grinding, trying to find a coin that will possibly make you a 10x, 100x, but the truth is, you're never going to hit that 10x. You're never even going to hit that 5x. And I'm speaking from experience because back in the day, I used to trench grind a lot and it lost me so much money and time. And looking back on it, it was a very stupid idea. And it's actually kind of sad that people that are still trading meme coins trying to make money off of it when in reality it's not even the traders that make the most money, it's the creators. What I mean by that is that when the creators launch the coin, they're either one, making the coin about news, so for example going on X and finding a tweet, or they're either making it about a meme, maybe on TikTok, and people just buy it because of the narrative, which is basically the subject matter of the coin. But the thing is, these coins don't have any intrinsic value, so they don't have any real world value. By looking at the charts, we can already see a tendency, Elon versus Trump. See all of these coins, Trump, 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 everywhere. Take this coin for example, one Elon against 100 Trumps. We all know that these coins will end at zero. And it's sort of like the game on roulette called Crash. Basically what it is, everyone puts in their bet amount, a rocket ship that goes all the way up, and you basically don't know how high it'll go. So you have to cash out before it explodes and you lose all your money. Look at the chart. It's the same thing. And people wonder why they're losing at it. It's because it's 100% gambling. And just like the casino, the creators cash out big. So let's look at how you guys are actually going to become the casino in this situation. Let's go over to createtokens.fun. This is where you guys will be creating your own meme coins about news, memes, trends, bound to make a profit. So I'm going to show you guys how it works. So the first step in creating your coin, you actually want to go on Deck Screener. This is where I like to go and look and see what are the trending coins in the past 6 hours. And we can see a little trend with Trump, as I said. So Elon versus Trump, and look at these coins. The market caps are over $1 million on all of these coins. Although it has been a while, we can still cash out on making these coins because people will mistake this coin for the real coins. For the token image, I'm just gonna look up a photo of an AI version of Elon Musk because they're usually funny, and so I just found a really funny photo of Elon as a robot. So I'm just gonna be saving this photo and we'll put it as our token image. And make sure that your image is a PNG file so you can actually put it in the website. Next, we're gonna name the coin 100 AI Elons versus 1 Trump. And we're gonna write EVT. Next, keep the token decimals at 9 and the supply 1 billion. And for the token description, write what your meme coin is. So 100 AI Elons versus 1 Trump. Live reaction. Then add a Twitter link or a website or whatever it is that is related to. So for me, I would basically add a Twitter link. So I'm just gonna be linking Elon's Twitter page. Next, you guys are gonna keep all of these selections. You guys are gonna keep all of these options selected, and it'll make your coin more legit. And all you guys have to do is have a bit of Solana in your wallet, and we will be creating the token. So if this video helped you guys, make sure to smash that like button, and I will be creating a Telegram soon. We might be doing giveaways over there, so stay tapped in for that. So subscribe, turn on those post notifications, because I will be dropping even more sauce in my future videos. And I'd like you guys to be informed and not to waste your time trading all of these useless dog shit ass meme coins. Do not waste your time, bro. The only way to make it is by creating them, bro. It's like the casino. The casino always wins, bro. The house always wins. Same for meme coins. The creators always win. So yeah, that's about it. Peace.